Hi, my name is Shaun. Good afternoon. I've been driving my Ford Ranger about 1 year now. And my experience that when I had the Ranger first without UltraRacing, I drive a lot lah, go outstation a lot, drive far. Handling without UltraRacing is a bit bad lah, if you can say. It swings a lot when I take corner fast and everything, but when I already fixed the UltraRacing, much more stabilized. When I take corner also, sharp corner, still okay, like it sticks to the road. It doesn't swing off. So for me, it's still good. Safety is one, very important, and I'll recommend to my friends lah.
So my name is Francis. I'm working as sales manager over in my company itself. So regarding a safety bar. First introduced by Mike from PNS lah. He's one of the club member. So he is actually doing a tire and maintenance part. So he introduced us about the UltraRacing. So the first few, we are the best, we are the two lah. I and my brother did to fix the first this one. So for us, it's actually the first thing in order actually helping my friend for doing his business. Then the next part of it, then we realize how stability our car is. Because we're using the car earlier, and after 2 years of fixing the UltraRacing, so I can see the impact. Right after, I tell my brother to fix it. Because he's using it, but only 3 months plus. I said fixing it. It's a safety part. So I'm going over to stage 2, because stage 1 already done, stage 2. I still have some question not to be answered. So earlier, one of our brother already answered from the team regarding the off-road and all that. So he said, when you go off-road, you are going extreme off-road, you have to open up certain bars. But I think I don't go that far, so not necessary for me to open all that. I think it will be safe for me on that part. Regarding now, everybody thought of the cancer is the first killer in Malaysia, but I don't think so. It's not. It's the first thing. It's a road accident because of less awareness on the car maintenance, and they really don't know what is a safe and all that. Because they say once a car is built in, actually is everything done. It's actually all. It's already safety bar is already compliant. But it's not. The car is a car. They only maximum do on the road. That means if you drive minimum 50 km per hour, then you're okay. You can't reach up to 110 and over. Then you have a lot. If you use exactly a safe bar like a UltraRacing, I think a lot of things we can, all the unwanted scene we can escape. So I think I like it. So I tried earlier a car. It's better, that's why I'm planning to do stage 2. So anyway, thanks guys, whoever from UltraRacing team who come all the way to Sabah and give us awareness on the safety bar. Thank you.